shrimp pad thai. Oh my god, my mouth is drooling. Oil to pan. In goes your shallots and onion, your tofu, radish, and the shrimp, dehydrated mini shrimps. So now we cook our shrimp. Just gonna give it a nice sear, okay? We don't want to overcook this. All my proteins cooked right here. My shrimp, let it rest so we don't overcook it. I have my noodles here. I'm gonna cook our pad thai noodles, okay? So now, it's my pad thai sauce. Go to my YouTube, okay? If you guys wanna learn how to make the pad thai sauce, I have a full recipe. You wanna coat it really well. Scoot it to the side a little. I can crack in your eggs. Use more if you like, it's up to you. Scramble it. Let's stir everything in now. Shrimp pad thai, guys.